tingnan niyo yung baby bump ni Shanta. You ready? Ito na siya. Ito na siya. Eh. Side view ka dito, ready? Side.
Ano ba dyan yung... Dito ka kasi... Nandyan yung mga gamit.
Oh, sige, sige.
Doon ka.
Oh, sige.
O, di takbo kasi magbibigay ka.
Dun sa labas. Ayan. Ang ganda. Move ka. Sige, maghanda na kayo dyan. Alright? Because I'm going to show you Shanta's baby bump. Buntis siya. Obviously, she's 4 months pregnant. May bump na siya. Halatang halata na. Ready guys? Eto na siya. Baby bump ni Shanta.
Hindi ako 4 months.
4 months ka na. Ano ka ba?
5 na ako.
Hindi.
5 na.
Ready?
Tadan! Magbibigay.
Oh, my baby bump. Yo, mag-side view ka dyan, Shan.
Wait, kasi...
Talaga, may baby bump na siya. Sabihin, mabebe, as a bebe ba? So mabuhay Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito kami ni Shanta ngayon sa Gold Coast, Australia! Yeah, ang ganda ng view namin, di ba? Sobra. Dito kami nagstay sa hotel kasama ng family ko sa Australia. So panoorin niyo ang mga vlog ni Shanta. She's been vlogging our whole trip to Australia. Ito pa lang ang vlog ko dito sa amin. So it's Christmas Eve today, di ba, bebe?
Sa Pilipinas, hindi Eve kasi morning.
Ano?
Parang magumagano. Parang may alien.
Wala, the bebe si payo, bebe. We are gonna celebrate Christmas dito sa Gold Coast, dito sa hotel na to. Mga feeling social kasi kami. Tulog pa ang kapatid ko na si Hallie. So, gisingin ko siya the Australian way.
Told you she's gonna cry. Oh, I thought she was crying. I told her not to do it because you're gonna cry.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I really, really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you.
Hello! Welcome to Dwayne's channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa Australia.
Magsi-surfing si Nathaniel Bayaw ko. What's up, mate? Hello. Yeah. Shanta, tingnan mo.
Oh my gosh! Kinahan!
It's so malaki. Grabe.
Iba siya sa ano yung nasa Leyte. Kasi
Oh,
may...
diba? Ang laki-laki.
Hindi ka Oh my gosh! It's here!
Mine. It's from Finding Nemo, baby. Hey Hey guys, if you want to learn to speak Tagalog or Bisaya, make sure you check out our website for learning those languages on philtalk.net. So simply just go to philtalk.net. You'll get access to videos, downloadables, flashcards, and more to help you become fluent in the language. For only $13.99 a month, you can cancel at any time. We promise you that these are the best Tagalog and Bisaya tutorials available on the net. So check them out, philtalk.net.
Ng bahay. Ano ba? Hindi ako marunong. Natulog ako kasi sa sasakyan. Ay, pagod ako. Tapos binidyo pa ako ni Dwayne. Nakakainis.
We are here at Mum and Dad's block of land. So Dad is a builder. He's building a house here. It'll probably be his last house he builds.
So what I'm going to do is where he's driving and that down there, I'm just going to cut that through on my block.
Ayaw ni Ma'am na doon ako bumaba.
Bakit?
Naikot daw. Baka daw ako mahulog.
Just drive over to the shed, but the main garage will be up there.
Oh,
There's
okay.
a big shed down here like that.
Oh, yeah, right. That. It's big.
So the shed will be down there,
Yeah.
and I did say to Dad, I do want stairs all the way down behind the shed from the top of the house. All
Yeah,
the
that
way
will.
down.
Yeah, that would be good.
You
Yeah.
know, so it's just stairs all the way.
Right.
So he's got to put a rock wall up here,
Okay.
and then it'll be a steep slope like we had at the mini mansion.
Right. That's cool, isn't it, Shanta?
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view pa.
Itong kasing laki ng lupa namin ni Shanta sa Leyte, 1 acre.
1 acre to?
1 acre, baby.
Yung lupa pala nila dito. Kasing laki ng lupa namin dun sa Leyte.
Yes, baby.
1 acre.
Oh, the grudge ka na.
They value the block at $375,000.
That's how much you paid for it?
No, I didn't pay that for it.
How much
They
did
valued it at
How much did you pay for it?
$290.
Oh, that's alright. That's alright, mate. You know how much we paid for our acre block? 50 grand. Okay, so we're gonna take a video of Mum and Dad at the front of their block of land now, and then come back again next year and take another video. Pagtapos na ang bahay. Alright, here we go.
On the fire hydrant.
Yep.
No. Fire hydrant is...
I know what that is.
Alright, cool. Get one from this angle as well.
not a comfort room. It's the R.
Wonder fam, thanks for watching guys. Chillax muna tayo kasi Pasko na ngayon. Merry Christmas, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat kung nanonood po kayo nito sa Christmas Day or kahit ngayon sa Christmas Eve. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta ng Wonder fam sa amin. If you want to watch all of our videos here in Australia, check out Shanta's channel. Alright, nandun ang lahat ng adventures namin dito sa Oz. Alright guys, kita-kits in the new year. Bye for now. Happy New Year, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.